Hello, good afternoon Tribuners. Welcome back with me Kusnul Asyaifah in Indonesian News of Tribun Lampung. We will present you an updating and interesting information from every place in Indonesia. And here the complete news. The first news is retired Lieutenant Colonel's body found beside tree is the heart medicine. The discovery of the man's body shocked the resident in Pangandaran previously suspected of suffering and heart disease. Doctors also found drugs suspended to treat disease. It's so now, a male corpse which retrieves Lieutenant Colonel Budianto, 64 years old, is a resident of the Karangsari Hamlet Purpa Tinggal Village, Kalipacuka District, Pangandaran Regency. Lieutenant Colonel Puran Budianto was found by his family and they were laying dead in his room. According to the tribunjabar.co.id, observation of after found a few hours, the retrieved's body was evacuated by the joint personnel ecosystem of elementals, medical team, the Indonesian Army, and the police, Indonesian and teenage Pangandaran volunteers. The head of the Kalipacungan Police, Imam Sudirman, said that this was initially found according to the witness statement that the victim family was going to the victim house. Upon inspection of the house, it was found that the victim was dead and decomposed. According to the witness, the victim previously had a story of the heart disease. However, for the sure must be checked first at the medicine team. For the next step, before being temporarily buried, the victim was taken to the Pandanggara Pangandaran Hospital. The next news is Kalimantan a fire factory explained its claim not to affect production level. After the exploitation of the factory indicated is owned by the Pupuk Kalti in the Bontang City, its Kalimantan province is concerned that it will not affect its level to sustenance for this production. However, corporate communication, Tommy Johan Agusta admitted that the Kalimantan Fire Factory, which is currently suspended, is buying monetary for the conditional. Tommy explained that the area fertilizer production as of July 21 was recorded at 1,873,674 tons. Meanwhile, the availability for the subsidized area fertilizer stocks reaches 77 in the 829 in the ton, and this is already be distributed. In addition, there is shock of a subsidized fertilizer production, approximately 3,180 tons as a reserve for the subsidized fertilizer detraction. This is amount excess for the target is 310%. More than target, the fertilizer stock said. Asked about the amount of PTKT's material losses, Tommy admitted that is not for sure because until now PTKT is not including in this deep investigation after exploding. However, it's confirmed the factory equipment damage will be continued to be repeatedly. Then before being put in operation later, all factory affection process will go through procedures according to the standard provisions. The term report yesterday also confirmed that the ASAS very hazard is carried out by the visiting of personal safety and health procedures. The next news is the case of the two young escaped after the Brillings agent discovery ended peaceful. The case of the two young with the father of the brilliant transaction in the Pudai village, Wangoduku district, Konawarigansi, Sulawesi province, ended peacefully. Previously, the two young was identified not known. 5 days after making transaction one of the links in the Pudai village on the Sunday, 24 July 2022. The owner of the Brillings was attracted by the two young men. Mirwan resolved the problem by the arranging spies on the Monday. Mirwan added, the two young men come with the parents' peaceful arranged with the problem that occurred. They quickly have given the tourist issue accountability. Mirwan said that the had is previously given to the youth with the resolve this issue. This resident of the Pudai village Konawarit, the young man was apologized for the action. In addition, Mirwan explained the two young reasoned similar problem to another links in the Huda village, Wangodiku district. The next news is, allegedly to end his life, a man decided to burn his own body. From the Tribune search, the man is currently the Yersis Pontianak Hospital to receive medical treatment in a safe condition. However, it is still not clear which caused man to himself or the fire. Relative of the victim who were met of the Yersis Hospital in Pontianak were recruited to provide any information. Meanwhile, head of Criminal Investigation Unit for Pontianak Police, Commissaries Indra Arsianto said the victim is with the initial BWA, 35 years old, was a resident of North Pontianak district, who tried to commit suicide by burning his own body. At the 7 a.m. this morning, 3 has been obtained suicide by the resident with the initial VB, who is a resident of North Pontianak district. The incident took place at the victim's private residence. It also continued when the incident occurred. There was a witness who is the victim family. Witness Y at the time was sitting in the front of the house with the victim. His body was stopped to the taken oil. The dish poured up over his body with the burner his body. Since this incident, the final was asked for the from local resident to take the Yersi hospital. According to him, the victim was taken to the Yersi hospital for medical treatment. After receiving medical assistance at Yersi hospital, the victim was taken to the Sultan Sharif Abdul Rahman hospital for the further treatment. The next news is, fact by the gallon drinking water circulating in the Cilegon and Serang city. Cilegon Police Criminal Investigation Unit officer uncovered of the case of the bottled water with the aqua gallons, with of the modus operandi of the perpetrators changing of the cap of the gallon to be branded aqua. The perpetrators of the concept first drink of the aqua gallons were 5 suspects with the initial IMB, 32 years old, Tihi, 30 years old, Asif, 33 years old, Yair, 30 years old, SM, 30 years old. Meanwhile, one other perpetrator is being searched and developed by the investigation. They have a problem sit in the area Panggung Rawi village, Jombang district, Cilegon city. The actual produced as much 100 gallon in a day or such much as 200,500 gallons on demand. Even the pre-potatoes have been in operation for the 2 years in Cilegon City. And the goods in circulation in the Cilegon and Serang City, which is also already with fast spread of the course. Within that, how much we spell different between Jandiu in 5 gallons is water. The head of the Cilegon Police, adjutant to the Police Chief Commissioner Eko Cahyo Yuranto said, the determining of difference between original and fake look at the register of the serial number on the light of the aqua and the body the gallon. If the two series between its IED and the body of the gallon is the same, it is confirmed that it is genuine. But if the serial number of the light body with the gallon are different, it is certain that is a fact. The next news is the electric pole of the middle the route is Sungai Village. The route has been like for a long time. Since we don't know currently, it must have been a long time because it was used to be just footpath. But because of resident request to the electric, a stately electric company which chooses a route and a road is the study path, not as with now. He also explained at the beginning of the phenomena of the electric police on the two routes. At the first path, we only of the footpath. But with normalization of the trains, we ran out of the train expansion of the turn of the turning explanation process in the over tiny body of the route. So, there was power malice middle of the body of the route. Starting from community farming activity, the route uses alternative route or the short route, which is development of community needs, and the minor route behind which demands the route become the alternative route for residents. Because the route is also connecting between Tembakau Kacang Village and the Kumpai Market. On this occasion, the head of the Sungai Ambanga village, he also explained that there has must been a small two walls which is accident at the night. It was also accident. It was a two wallet which is happening at night. At the time, we are not sure if we are has sleepy or what. But this condition of resident, we also accident at the time. This only had a minor injuries. He also explained that the has auto letter as such as electric company said 2 years ago. 2 years we had a submit a letter to the state electric company science press and we are directed to the state electric Amanti Ayani. After that state electric company sent us 5 people to drive a company is put down. Will according to the electric company the process had will be done. Took and third party, the state electric company charged of the fee of the 3.5 million per pole. And the last news is 3.5 million currently illegal anti-blackberry storage Dumai Customs. The Dumai Customs and Excise Service and several offices will be destroyed illegal goods resulting from the processes from the 2021 to the 2022. The distribution illegal goods witnessed by the acting head of a Dumai Customs and Excise Superior and Service Office, Bambang Sukonjo, and the Dumai Port Company or the Dumai Customs Office here on the Laksamana on the Friday. Acting head of Custom and Exercise Supervision and Service Officer Type B Dumai Customs, Bambang Sukonjo relieved that the goods that were displayed of the processing for the violating and customer service violating law number 70 of the 2001 1, a procession of the illegal legislation from the number 39 year 2007, considering excise. This is a manifest of the century of the custom officer to create a violent business climate to the public from illegal goods, Bambang explained. As for the illegal goods that destroyed, namely 2 lager of the various brand as money, 175.601 package, or as many as a 3.5 million stick, which is already destroyed by the burning. In addition, he died the 3 medicine 5 kilograms, 2 puppies of the rule, 300 colisus, 107 bags, 2 car seats, 6 cartons of the Milo, milk and spices, will the person destroyed by the burning. The greatly used wrist motorcycle as the 850 pieces were destroyed by the cutting and burning. A man of the translation is the word saving and speedboat, engineering being destroyed by the cutting. Well, I think all the news for today with me. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.